That goes in there. I do not. I'm trying to figure out where on earth that goes. It should be pressed all the way against. By the looks of things. Oh, but this, I was like, where do I push this down? Oh my god, it moves like that. It moves like that. This is the carriage. This is the base of the carriage. Okay. That's the thing that will move. It's about getting that. Am I really supposed to put that in there? Sorry, you can't see what I'm talking about. This is what I'm looking at. This right here. Look at how technical this looks. I guess if I move, oh, hold on. Yeah, hold on, I can do it. Because this whole thing can move out. Of course. Like that. Oh my god, it's happening. Okay, it moved across, and now it's moved all the way across. I don't know how to get it back. And then you just pull it back, and then it moves across again. So it must be that you have to, when you're done, I suppose you will just actually have to push the carriage across, like you do. Hot damn, that is so good. Oh my god! That is so impressive.
Nice.
The sound as well, the sound is so good. Naughty. I'm just testing all of the keys. Backspace, shift keys, don't do anything. Should backspace do something? I don't know if it should or not. It's not hitting anything. Okay, backspace shouldn't do anything. This has given me a new lease on life. Hey, Ryan, Pixelation Loss. Thank you so much for the 20 months. Here's your thing. At tier 2! Thank you for the tier 2. Wow. Sorry, I'm still just like, I'm so impressed by this. I could just do that forever. And it's not even, it's nowhere near done yet. Okay, that was just that, that's just that bit. Okay. There's more? I'm gonna put something on the back now. I think, maybe, we'll see. That's so good though, I'm so happy. I was like, how's this gonna work? And now it works. I still don't know how it works, but it does. Okay, one of those. I think actually I don't need to count these out. That goes, this goes on here. It's all cogs, baby. It's all cogs to me. This really is pretty coggers. I feel like I can't even comprehend how coggers this is. Okay, we're getting some tiny feet on this. Wait, what's happening here? Oh, I'm missing something big. Here we go. There we go. It goes like that. Oh, don't drop your bits. Okay. Okay, so now this is going on to that. Like so. Okay. Building up that carriage. Then we have... Okay, so this is to reinforce everything by the looks of things. That goes on like that. Lovely. And then this is going to slide in right there. Awesome. And that is bag number 7 done. And then the manual is telling me that I should just push that back manually for now. Wow, I have to say, I really love that sound. I don't know if you can hear that sound that happens as I push it back. Hopefully you should be able to hear it now. Can you hear that? It's really, really good. Very, very satisfying. I can't describe it. It sounds like a typewriter, doesn't it? It sounds like an actual typewriter. Okay, that was bag number 7. I definitely wanted to at least do bag number 8 today.